Dear friends, good morning to everybody. You never blame anyone in your life. Good people give you happiness in your life. If you across bad people give you experience. Worst people, but the worst people give you lesson. Best people give you memories. So you never blame anyone in your life. You accept the people as they are and accept the situation as it is.